Well, I guess this video is gonna tell you how I feel.
What's wrong?
I'm riding the bike.
What?
I'm bike riding.
You're what? She's bike riding.
Bagel, harassment lawsuit, no promotion, fifth of vodka, shit on Deborah's desk, buy a gun, in my mouth.
Oh fuck me, I can't fucking do it. Shit.
Hey, pussy out, just as tired of my heart, there's a chance to go.